Hi guys, I just came back from Put with some nice gear from RVS Cetus. It's a Polish company, and yeah, they have a lot of nice products from Camelbak and UF Pro. And on this trip when I was over there, I bought, let's see, yeah, the Camelbak Eddy, 750 milliliters. It's for my girlfriend, so I won't be opening it and taking off this because she likes opening it herself. It's got a nice bite valve, flips off, out of the way. Oh, it's, yeah, covered with some slippery plastic to keep it nice and clean. EPA free plastic, food grade. Yeah, can all see what is allowed to do with it in the back here. Oh, come on, focus. There you go. Really nice product. Let my girlfriend open that herself. And I just bought this as well. Cleaning kit from Camelbak, maximum gear, the military grade one. This one I will open. Yeah, just get a good grip to it. Here we go, in the cleaning kit. Get the camera on focus. Get 2 cleaning tabs. You get a brush to get into the water bladder. Really nice quality brush. You can probably get some cheaper ones, but I wanted the whole set, so. And here is the hook to hang it. This part goes into where the hose goes on the bladder, and then just hang it up. It will be hanging upside down. Plastic, a little bit flimsy, but it's not supposed to take any heavy weights. So, and this hose cleaning, quite nice. Small, can fit it into a small pouch. These two, you snap it into the side of the bladder here, and that keeps it pushed in and opened up so the air can flow and it dries, and yeah, you don't get any nasty green surprises when you want to drink out of it. I think it was 75 zloty, and if you divide zloty by 4 you get the euro. Let's put this to the side, and I will show you the reason why I bought this kit. I bought the Camelbak Maximum Gear H.A.W.G. Let's see if we can get a better picture. Put it up here. It's a really nice piece of gear. It comes with mil-spec hose covered with neoprene to insulate it. Keep it safe. Quick disconnect for the mouthpiece, and the bite valve is covered with a lid. That's nice, very nice. And on all the new gear from Camelbak, it has a valve, just in case it starts getting old and start dripping and similar stuff. Or the valve here breaks, you can snap. Yeah, you all know it. Yeah, the Slupsk antidote with some anti-microbial lining or whatever it's called. It's 3 liter water bladder inside. This is the H.A.W.G is 20 liters. It's got laser cut 500D Cordura with this is the ripstop Cordura. I never had any product with ripstop before. Cordura products anyway. Let's see. It's not a review, it's just a quick go through. Got, this is for comms. Nice drug handle. Some what is it? This 20mm. I think it's 20mm anyway. For if you want to lay something into the back of the back, so it's tight against your back. Cinch it down, keep it safe. You got 3 of them. Goes all the way to the bottom. This is the main compartment. The zipper almost goes all the way down, so it's almost a clamshell. And this is the front compartment, same size as the main compartment, with some pouches and stuff for your pens. And I think you can get a mag in there. And that one has some small pens in there as well. Easy, come on, focus. Yeah. And here you can have some other small stuff. There's a full size slot in there. Not much to say actually, it's really good quality. And you got a third opening that's only like, I can get my hand in there, that deep. Got some Velcro on the front. Sorry for the camera work. Yeah, in the small pouch you got key fob, whatever it's called, like a lanyard for your keys, you know. You got 4 of these, so you can cinch it together, so you can make it compact and nice. And yeah, your shoulder straps are nice and thick, but I would say 10 or 12 mil of nice damp padding material. 2-inch strap here, really nice and sturdy material. Sternum strap is really nice and flexible, so you can keep it tight. And on the other side is a rigid one that you can just set the distance. Also you can up and put the sternum up and down, move it over to the lower part as well. And the shoulder straps are of course quick disconnect. And also you have a thin waistband that you can tighten. You can take them completely off as well. Yeah, that's most of this. just a quick go through. I just wanted to make the video when it was still new, and to get to your bladder, the zipper in the back here doesn't go all the way, and the bladder is, since it's new, it's zipped in. And of course there's a lot of thick padding against your back. Also get that for your spine and for airflow going along your back. For your lower back padding as well, really nice, thick. And also there's some reflective and insulating material between you and the bladder, on both sides of the bladder actually, so it will keep the temperature down on the water. Of course you got a drainage hole in the bottom just in case. You got some straps here, not straps but loops, so you can cinch something to your bottom of the bag. And of course on all the straps you have what's it called, so you can roll up the extra material. So you've got some hook and loops here. Really nice. This is going to be like a day pack for when I'm out walking, going to forest, doing some hiking. Yeah, Camelbak maximum gear H.A.W.G. Looks like a really nice bag. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got to say about it. I will give you some more info when I tested it, and just so you know, I'm not a reviewer or anything. I just bought it for myself. I almost forgot, is you always got some D-rings on top here and some extra, so you can pull your water hose through here. So keep it nice and tidy. Yeah, hope you liked it, and I can of course recommend material from Camelbak since I got more stuff as well laying around. But yeah, this is the H.A.W.G. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.